Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a powerful strategy for organizing information, the GSAC strategy. Have you ever faced a jumbled paragraph and wondered how to make sense of it? Well, the GSAC strategy is here to help. GSAC stands for General, Specific, Analysis, and Conclusion. Let's break it down. Imagine you have an unordered paragraph like this one. It can be confusing, right? But with the GSAC strategy, we can bring clarity and structure to it. Why do we choose the GSAC strategy? Because it provides a logical flow that makes information easy to follow and understand. It ensures that every part of the paragraph has a purpose and contributes to the overall message. Let's see the correct paragraph order before explaining the GSAC strategy to organize them. Here is the correct order of the paragraph. Now, let's talk about how we can achieve this easily by using this excellent strategy. First, we start with the general statement. This is the broad idea, or the main point of the paragraph. It sets the stage for what's to come. Here is sentence number 2. The quality of online education can vary widely. This statement gives us a general idea of the topic we are discussing. Next, we move to the specific examples. These are the details that support the general statement. They provide evidence and make the main point more understandable. Here are sentences number 3 and 4. For example, well-designed courses with interactive content and skilled instructors can offer high-quality learning experiences. On the contrary, poorly designed courses can lead to a subpar educational experience. These examples show the different outcomes of online education based on course design and instructor quality. After that, we have the analysis. This is where we delve deeper into the specifics, explaining their significance and how they relate to the general statement. Here is sentence number 1. This variation raises concerns about the consistency and standardization of online education. Here, we analyze the impact of the varying quality of online education and why it's a concern. Finally, we wrap it up with the conclusion. This ties everything together and reinforces the main point, leaving the reader with a clear understanding. Here is sentence number 5. Therefore, ensuring quality control is essential for the credibility and effectiveness of online learning programs. The conclusion emphasizes the importance of quality control in maintaining the credibility and effectiveness of online education. And that's how the GSAC strategy works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on effective communication. Thanks for watching.